Hello guys, this is a short video to answer several questions that I've gotten, or the same question I've gotten from several people relating to the Schoology page and the Google folder and how that you can get access to the Google folder from that. So this is a web page for L-Block, but it's the same for all the advanced biology classes that I have. And we have on this home page for the class, we have links to some different pages, just different web pages and information about them. For this video, I want to looking at the Google folder for this class. So I click on that link, opens this page. It tells me that to access the folder, I need to be using my Delbarton account. That's a common problem. People are logged in through some other private account, not their Delbarton student account. You cannot access the class drive unless you're on the Delbarton student account. And then we have a link here. If you click that link, it will automatically open that folder in your Google Drive account. I'm already logged in through my Google account, so it didn't ask me to log in. It may ask you to log in. Again, you have to be signed up with your Delbarton email, your Delbarton Google account to do that. Now this is the folder. Now inside of this Google folder, once you've opened it up, you can change viewing settings. You can click up here in this, you can view by grid. If you like to see the pictures, or view by a list, I like to view by a list, my preference. Once you have this folder, you can choose other options to do with it. You could move it somewhere, like you could move it to another folder that you have in your Google Drive. It's not going to move the whole thing for everybody. It's just going to move how you access it and how you see it within your Google Drive. Right? And once you've opened it up, you'll also be able to access it by clicking on the shared with me, because it has been shared with you, just shared via a link. So the first time you access it, you need to go in through the link. That's just a restriction, helps kind of limit who can access it. Inside of this, we have general course materials. So inside the general course materials, we find things like the Modern Biology textbook, the study guide, and some details like safety contract and the course outline. In the Unit 1 folder, inside of here, this is where we have the folder for the microscope lab images. When you open this folder, this is where you're going to save the images that you may have taken from today's microscope lab or Thursday's microscope lab. Again, you can also view these in grid view if you're trying to select which picture you want to use, which image you want to use. Try to get some different images for your lab report that you think you can use in a good way, looking at both what they are and the quality of the image and what you think you can do with it. Take note of these calibration slides. What these are is each line on the grid, each tiny hash mark on this grid is 1 micrometer. So here at 100x magnification, 1 micrometer, or from big line to big line, that's 10 micrometers. So I could compare that to this image of the yeast over here and see how big some feature is inside, get a quantitative observation. Or here, this is 1 micrometer from this hash mark to this hash mark. Or I could go from the baseline up to here, that's 10 micrometers. I could compare that if I was at 400x. So comparing 400x to the 400x calibration ruler slide, or 100x to 100x calibration slide. Hopefully that helps you access your folder from the class web page. If you still have some problems, let me know, but the expectation is that you're able to get your folders where they need to be. Okay, see you on Monday.